Welcome back to MrYouWho, and here again, great to have you back with us today. Now I'm really excited today to be reviewing the AIAIAI TMA-2 Move wireless headphones. Now I've heard a lot of great things about these headphones in the past. You see, back in my days when I was DJing in London, a lot of my friends were using these headphones when they were DJing out in the clubs. They told me about how fantastic they were, and even back then I had heard them and thought they were fantastic. So there's no wonder why these are being used by all the famous DJs and celebrities across the world. So in this video, as always, we're going to be doing an unboxing so you can see what comes in the headphones. They're going to be trying them on to see how comfortable they are and how easy they are to wear. Going to test out the sound to see if the sound quality stacks up to what I thought previously. They're going to go and use them out and about the gym, have a look at how they work, go through different features and benefits of them. We're also going to go and show you how you can order them. Now these come with a unique modular system, which means that you can change the different parts of the headphones depending on what you want to use them for. So the TMA-2 Move, they're basically the ones that you listen to for music, but you can go up to the DJ set, for example. Look at how you can do that, how they come in different components. We're going to use them, but with 40 hours battery life, 2 hours to charge, fantastic sound quality, easy to wear, very, very comfortable. You're going to love these headphones. They're designed by a Danish company. AIAIAI have been making headphones for many years now, and they've become leaders in the audio industry. And with these headphones, you can absolutely see why. They're fantastic. Anyway, that's not much to do any longer. Let's go look at the AIAIAI TMA-2 Move headphones. Again, if you want to purchase these, there's a description below. You can purchase the links. You can also like our video, subscribe to our channel, please. We really appreciate the support. Let's go now and have a look at the AIAIAI TMA-2 Move wireless headphones here at MrYouWho. Here we are taking a look at the AIAIAI TMA-2 Move wireless headphones. As you can see, it comes in very, very nice, nondescript packaging, which is really good. This also reflects the fact that the company provides sustainable solutions. So the packaging is environmentally friendly, environmentally sustainable. So we're having a look at what comes in. So it's fully modular. So you've got the S10 here, the HO3, EO4, CD5, and AO1. So these are different components that are made up of the headphones. So what you'll see now when we open them up is that each part of these comes in separate packets. So the great thing is you can actually decide what you want to order when you do it. So if you go and have a look, see that the packaging comes in. So again, you can order each of these individually or each of these as a pack. And they do come in combination. So the TMA-2 Move is one of the ones we've purchased. So here we're having a look at the actual speaker system. So this is where the actual sound drivers come from. So again, you can choose different sound drivers depending on what your needs are. There they are there. So we're going to show you how this fits in, how this builds in a minute. So we'll look at the other packaging as well. So here's what the speaker units sit in. So here's the leather cups that sit on the ears. Again, I'm going to show you how easily these are to cup into the earpieces. It's very, very straightforward, but comfortable leather, very lightweight as well, which is good, but they still feel of really good quality. Now here's the band as well. So you can choose different bands depending on what you want to use with the AIAIAI headphones. So here's the band here. So you can see the leather headband there as well. It's really, really nice. You've got the case as well that you can put in, the pouch that it sits in. So let's go now and look at putting it together. So as you can see, really straightforward. It's basically clip and play, so very, very easy. You can see it's just easy to slot in, connect them, very, very straightforward. It probably took me all of about, I think, a minute to do this. No operation required as well. As you can see, it's very, very straightforward. So you can see how easy the assembly process was. Now everything actually slid together really, really easily. Very, very easy to use. And I had no issues with it too. Now you can use, again, the Bluetooth headphones here. Now you can power them on via using the control button here. You can also use it to change tracks, change music as well. It works excellent. Now they come with 40 hours battery life. Take about 2 hours to charge, which is excellent. I haven't actually used them over a couple of days use. They go really well. And they could be used, for example, for long flights or if you're out and about. But if you ever do run out, you do have the cable here too, which works excellent. Now the actual design is they are very, very classy, stylish headphones. Now while they have a minimalistic design coming in the matte black, they actually feel really good. Now they're only about 225 grams, so they're very, very light, but they look really good too. So you've got the USB-C port there as well, the headphone jack that you can use. Again, you can turn it on by pressing that button there. It brings the headphones on, where you can start using them. The headphones pair very, very quickly, and they're very, very easy to use. Now let's go and actually have a look, put them on our head to see how comfortable they feel. So easy are the AIAIAI TMA-2 Move to actually use? Well, they're very, very simple. Literally, you just go there and use that button there, You hold the button down, they pair to your headphones very, very quickly. You then, to change tracks, you can then turn the volume up by pressing that up or pressing that down to change it, or to change tracks that way. Very, very easy to use. The other thing about them is the comfort as well. Now, if you look at that leather band there as well, it's very, very comfortable with the AIAIAI writing at the back of it. I don't know if you can see that just there. The cups are also very, very comfortable as well. They're very, very breathable with the mesh, which means when you're listening to music, they don't get very hot on your head. They sit very, very well. So if I put them on now, as you can see, they sit very, very well on my head. They don't move. My ears cup into them nicely, and it causes a sound seal as well, which means that even though these don't have noise cancelling, you can't actually hear the music around you outside. It's excellent. So very, very comfortable. Now you can't also, they don't also move your head as well. So if I do this, they don't move too. So it also means that if you're walking, running, on the move, they won't come off your head as well, which is really, really good. So yeah, they feel really good, work really well too. And as you can see, the it's like memory foam just there as well. It's very, very nice. Now, because they're quite light too compared to some other headphones I've used, it means you don't get fatigue on your head from using them too. They can sit there for long periods of time. They feel really, really good on your head, and you don't notice them as well. So very, very comfortable headphones. Very, very easy to use. They don't have a whole heap of fandangled different gadgets and buttons you need to press as well. They just focus on comfort, quality, great sounding music, and fantastic design as well. So they sound really good. Anyway, let's go look now at about how they actually sound when you're actually using them. Let's do that right now. What's it sound like with the AIAIAI TMA-2 Move headphones? Well, I have to say it's absolutely exceptional music. And the reason being is, listening to tracks I've been listening to a lot over the years, and suddenly you could hear a lot more that you couldn't hear previously. You could hear the strings of guitars, you could hear the background beats, you could hear the different mixes coming through. And that's because they've created an exceptional pair of headphones. Now, they sound exceptional. Now, also with the noise cancelling, I normally have noise cancelling in my headphones, but with these, because they fit the ears so well, you can't actually hear the outside noise around you, which is really, really good. They seem to block the noise, which means that you can listen to them without having noise cancellation. I was actually listening to some music next to my TV, and I couldn't actually hear the TV, I could just hear the sound. Now, they're great quality headphones as well. Now, the good thing is you can listen to them for long periods of time as well, and you don't actually get any discomfort as well. The reason being is the material is very, very light by being very high quality as well. Now, I listen to these with rock, with jazz, hip-hop, classical. I love listening to house music as well. And what I love with house music is it always crescendos. And with these, you can really hear the music crescendoing nicely in each beat coming through. They sound really good. You can absolutely see why DJs use these out there. They're exceptional headphones. The sound is also very, very good too. And as we saw earlier, it's quite easy to actually adjust the headphones, changing tracks and putting the music up. But what I like about them is they're just straightforward operation. They're not complex. They don't take a lot to understand how to use, and they just focus on quality sound, which is really, really good. But yeah, TMA Move 2 AIAIAI headphones sound excellent. Great sounding headphones. Here we are using them out and about. So you see the AIAIAI headphones, they're great whether you're at the beach or running or cycling. As you can see here, they're in the sun, use them at the beach. They're very, very easy to wear, very, very comfortable. They don't get hot at all in the sun, which is a really important thing. As you can see here, using them out and about in Brisbane. Again, you can use them out on traffic and you can't hear cars in the background because they're so well sealed on your ears. They really are excellent. And here I am again using them now at the gym. Again, they didn't get hot. I can't hear the gym music. They feel really comfortable. And I really get pumped into my workout because the sound is so good. You really just get lost in the weights that you're doing. And here I am again. Again, they don't move at all in the head when you're working out. They sound really good. Very, very comfortable. And you're great for exercising out and about. So we're taking a look at how you can actually order the AIAIAI headphones off the website. So there you go. There's the component parts. The ones that are pre-built. So click on build and you can actually go and design your own headphones. So you've got the different speaker units, headbands, earbuds there. So let's select the S10 for example. Then you could choose the headband that you want to do depending on the comfort level, how you want it to feel. You can then collect, so you've got there the wireless one, which is really good. If you want to do wirelessly connect to music. Select the outdoor speaker units and also select the cables as well. Very, very straightforward. Essentially plug and play. Select what you want, you can order them. And there's a hard case you get as well, which I don't get in this. Again, put on add to cart, but you can also upgrade any one of these particular components whenever you want as well. So you don't have to always order the full combination, which I think is excellent. The great thing about these as well is they're very sustainable as well. So you can see there, responsible, sustainable design, sustainable materials, recycled plastic. Wow, well, as you can see, I love the AIAIAI TMA-2 Move headphones. They really are exceptional. And the reason being, as I discussed, is that the sound quality is fantastic. I'd say they're up there with the best sounding headphones I've heard before. Again, I was listening to music I've been listening to for years, and I picked up new beats, new sounds, new tones, new background noise that I hadn't heard before. It really made the music stand out. And they're very, very comfortable as well. As you can see, they're lightweight while being comfortable. It's very, very good. They can sit on your head for long periods of time. They don't sweat. They feel really good. And in fact, they've got the modular design as well, which is really good. So I can go and change the parts of these depending if I want to use it. If I want to start DJing, I can use the DJ set. If I want to change the type of sound I'm getting, I can change the headphones. I mean, it sounds really good and exceptional. I also love how they use the sustainability aspect as well. When you receive the packaging, it all is modular, as you could see, but it really is no frills. But that doesn't mean the headphones aren't fantastic. They really are top notch. I can really see why AIAIAI have taken the music world by storm, and why a lot of DJs, a lot of famous people are actually using them. These are going to become a staple for me to use very much into the future. So anyway, I want you to let me know what you think of the AIAIAI TMA-2 Move headphones, or the AIAIAI headphones generally. If you've actually used them, what you think. But they really are exceptional headphones. They sound really good, easy to use. And I guess the good thing with them as well is very, very simplistic design, but that doesn't mean they're not fantastic. And it's good for a change not to have a whole heap of different bells and whistles that get you confused. Just having good headphones that do what they're meant to do, play great music, are comfortable, last a long time, exceptional. So anyway, make sure you let me know what you think of the AIAIAI headphones. You can also buy these in the description below. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks again for joining us here at MrYouWho.